What's going on, my purified hustlers? Let's jump right into the amazing benefits of sea moss.
Too many niggas in the club last time. All my intentions on performing that time. Shorty, let me see your performance right now. If you ain't make no moves, then you gon' be mad now. Too many niggas in the club last time. All my intentions on performing that time. Shorty, let me see your performance right now. If you ain't make no moves, then you gon' be mad now.
Shorty, I've been looking at your waistline.
Sea moss is amazing for your skin, both from ingesting it and using it topically in showers and face masks. Sea moss provides a lot of moisture to the skin and also revitalizes the skin with sulfur and other minerals and vitamins and nutrients that overall will help you have amazing, smooth, shining skin. Guys, I've used sea moss a little bit for my skin consecutively 2 days in a row. And guys, after one experience, just using it once, I noticed amazing differences with just my skin's like smooth texture and just overall how my skin glows after using it. It's very clear that, you know, this is something that I could use normally if I was ever having skin issues, and it would definitely help a lot. Sulfur really helps, you know, improves your skin, nails, bones, and joints, and all of those fine tissue in the body. And it's really good when you use it topically, guys. I'm not joking. Sea moss is an aphrodisiac, which means that it improves your libido. So if you're ever having trouble, you know what I'm trying to do, you know what I'm saying? You'll take some of that sea moss and you could go crazy. I don't necessarily take it for that reason. I've heard a lot of people that, you know, have struggled with those issues via different YouTube sources, and people have definitely improved using sea moss. And I think it really makes sense just based off of what active ingredients and nutrients and vitamins are consistent and make up sea moss. I think it makes sense why it might help people in that facet of life. Can be used for both weight loss and muscle gains. Sea moss is packed with amazing nutrients, and also based off of the consistency, I believe there's carrageenan inside of it, which is used for different gels and oils that help and make the body feel full when you consume it. So both, you know, being filled with amazing nutrients and minerals that are bioavailable to the body. Sea moss is also similar to that of a fat and similar to something that would help fill you up. So it can be used for weight loss because when you consume it, it makes you feel full quicker. But also at the same time, if you're someone that's looking to put on those gains, it's packed with vital nutrients that are gonna help you make those gains, and especially those muscle gains. Definitely only muscle gains when you use sea moss. It's not gonna really add any fats or any, leave any toxins or waste type things in the body that would generate fat. So sea moss is definitely something that I would say is very powerful for you know, my athletes and other people of that nature. Sea moss is good for strengthening the immune system and also good for fighting off colds and other respiratory issues. Sea moss is an expectorant, which means it promotes the excretion of saliva and mucus, meaning when you're feeling blocked up, it's going to help unclog your respiratory system of disgusting mucuses and other gross, childish snot things. It is also high in potassium chloride, which is said to dissolve mucus discharge that is caused by the swelling of mucous membranes. So guys, when you're taking this sea moss, it's really gonna actively fight these disgusting, gross things that are building up in your body. Sea moss is something you need in your body to help everything move better and flow better, because it's packed with nutrients and it's made up in this oil that, you know, is just good for helping things run in the body. It's high in calcium and supports bones and joints. So other than just the calcium, it's made up of all these different minerals. And when it comes to your bones, your joints, sea moss has literally 90% of the nutrients that your body needs, first and foremost. And it's packed in with these nutrients, calcium, and different things that are gonna help build up your bones. A lot of people say, you know, vegans and people that don't drink cow's milk don't have strong bones, but when it comes to the amount of calcium that's packed up in that sea moss, it's way higher than any milk or anything like that. Sea moss is a plant that literally sticks onto rocks, and it gets its nutrients and what it eats from rocks. Sea moss literally eats the minerals and calciums and other nutrients straight from a rock. You know how strong and dense a rock is. It's probably stronger than a bone. And sea moss is just clinging to it and taking the nutrients from that. So, you know, it's made up of these agents that are really gonna refortify your bones and joints and different things up that alleyway. Sea moss has iodine, which not only helps strengthen the immune system, but also helps to stimulate the thyroid glands. The thyroid glands need help being stimulated when the immune system is, you know, weakened. So when you have the iodine that's strengthening up your immune system as a whole, it allows the thyroid glands to be able to function at their highest capacity, which is going to help stimulate your thyroid function. Sea moss contains 90% of nutrients that our body needs, such as beta carotene, vitamin B, vitamin C, and sulfur, as well as minerals like magnesium, manganese, calcium, phosphorus, and zinc. All of these contribute to a healthier body on a cellular level. Sea moss has antimicrobial agents, which are actually used in some antibiotics today. So taking sea moss consistently and using it properly at the proper dosages can actually be used as a healthier version of an antibiotic, where it's something that's just going to overall strengthen the microbiome and leave out all the other toxins that might kill the healthy microbiome like a normal antibiotic would. Just think about how amazing it is that you can be eating something that acts as an actual modern medicine-like drug, except it's just consistently flowing through your body with other amazing nutrients to all fortify your body. Come on, y'all. Sea moss is the boss, literally. Last and not least, the importance of where you get your sea moss matters so much. I'm gonna go ahead and try to leave you guys with a couple of links of good sea moss vendors, but you have different grades of sea moss from different bodies of water, and some have toxins in it, some have poisons that you definitely don't want to be consuming, because sea moss is a very strong plant that really consumes what's in its water and what's in the rocks and different things that it's consuming from. Some people have tried to actually create their own sea moss in laboratories and things like that, where they try to have a similar environment to the natural way that sea moss grows. And I have to say, guys, that this is not the best way to get your sea moss, and you always want to make sure that you are getting it from the best sources. I know there are good places in St. Lucia. I don't want to go on a laundry list tangent because I don't necessarily know, so I will try to leave you guys with good information on that in the description box below. And guys, I just want to give you guys a little personal review from using sea moss. Definitely, you know, when I'm on sea moss, I notice myself recovering from workouts quicker. I notice myself with a little more energy to just go and work out and to go and exercise. So that's definitely something that I've noticed. In terms of skin and hair, guys, I've used it to help grow my facial hair. I put it on my beard, and in terms of skin, it always leaves my skin looking better every single time I use it. No cap, like sea moss is the boss when it comes to trying to make your skin look better, 100%. And the amazing thing for me with sea moss is that I can use it in anything. I can throw it into smoothies, throw it in oatmeal, throw it on top of sauces, use it as oil, use it to bake. Sea moss is so versatile just because, you know, it has a real consistent flavor that when mixed in with whatever you're cooking, you just don't even notice it. Sea moss is such a multi-verse food item to use in the kitchen that just helps boost your health, and that's why I love it. That's why I use it. And with that being said, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on sea moss. I'm gonna be dropping more amazing, informative content for y'all. So if you like content like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Leave the notification bell. And with that being said, y'all, Pure House out with another banger video. Sea moss health benefits and a review from yours truly. Peace.
Shorty, let me see your performance right now.